Hello friends, welcome back to our new video. So in this video, I will be discussing multiple freelancing platforms you can explore to start earning online. So firstly, you need to create an account on Airtm platform. So for that purpose, the link is provided in description box. You can just click there and you'll see Airtm. Then you have to create an account in this platform. So I have already created my account, so I just log in with my credentials. So firstly you need to create your account. Just submit the essential information like email id, name, password. After that you have to upload your documents like pan card and Aadhaar card for verification purpose. After that you can log in. So I just log in with my credentials. Okay, so when login is completed, you will see this type of window on your laptop. So after that you have to go to earn option. Okay, you have to click here earn. Then you will see multiple freelancing platform like 2Captcha, Airtm.me, Clickworker, CrowdGen, Earnfly, Fiverr, Freelancer. There are multiple platforms from where you can earn. So it's just a data entry type, means you can work from home also. So this type of platforms are available in Airtm. So you just go log in, create your account. After that you will see here, like suppose you want to create account on CrowdGen. So just click here. Then you'll open in next window. Then you have to just sign in and just start your work. After that, suppose I just choose another platform, like I choose Populi. Okay, when I click on Populi, it will open, just taking time. Okay, as you can see here, Populi, create an account. So I already created my account on this platform. So I just log in with my credentials. Okay, so it will take some time to open. Meanwhile, I just open my authentication app. As usually, it take 1 to 2 minutes, but taking much time now as my net connection is also slow today. Okay, it's open. Now I already created account here, so I just log in and open my account here. Okay, so this is my credentials. This is authentication pin. I have attached one authentication here. Okay, as you can see here, I already created my account on Populi.ai platforms. So here, my gigs available. You just click here. As when you create your account first time, then you will see here available gigs. You want to click here. You will show here some types of work available in your account. So you have to apply for particular domain. So I already applied, so it's showing in my gigs option. Okay, so here one task is pending, like PAN project, and I want to, okay, the pay rate is 6 to 7 per dish. Means here I want to upload a PDF for particular dish. So dish may be anything like poha, samosa, like anything. You just want to prepare one dish or and just create a PDF and upload here. After that you will get 6 to $7. Okay, so this kind of work you can do here. Like I also choose another one. Here I have applied projects like Helus, Leda, NECO assessment. I have also done assessment for this all. So if you need assessment for this, I can also upload it on my YouTube channel. So this type of platforms are available, and you can earn 60 to 70,000 per month from freelancing platform, that I can show you. Like I can show my payment detail also. As in Airtm platform, I earn here where it is in activity. Okay, when you click on activity, you will get all the information related to your payment. So as here, I have earned like uh, 18,000, 19,000, 16,000, 12,000, 10,000, 2,000, 17,000, 18,000, 5,000. So I earn much than as you imagine. Like I earn so much money from different freelancing platform. So I'm just suggesting you, just open your account on Airtm platform. Just go to earn option, and you will see multiple freelancing platform. As I can here next, click on next. Here multiple platforms are available. You can earn here. As you can see, data entry, market research, and payout must be Airtm payout. Means when you create an account here, you will receive payment in this platform. So you have to create an account on Airtm platform. Just go to earn option, click on earn option, and you will see multiple platform. Then open your account in any platform and start earning. Okay, so this type of work you can do. And if you want to know more platforms like freelancing platform, then just comment below freelancing. I can definitely make my next video on this particular topic. Okay, thank you.